Here's an app called talabat, food and grocery order. So you can just tap get, and then you can just do double click to install, and then you every day right away the crate is delivered. Groceries delivered in minutes. Choose from thousands of dishes, and then the best offers and deals. Tracked every step of the way. Looking for the quickest food deliveries? That's easy with our new talabat app. Whether you want a pizza, burger, or groceries, choose from thousands of markets and restaurants in your city and put your hunger to an end. We have got it all: fast delivery, unlimited options, easy online payment, and vouchers all at your fingertips. So just tap to open, and here you will see this. You can allow your notifications, and then you can just tap continue, and then this is just the regional app. You can see it's available in Kuwait, Bahrain, UAE, Qatar, Egypt. So if you like traveling in one of those countries, that's where you can deliver. Because these countries, they usually don't have traditional European food delivery apps. So if you're traveling there or on vacation or something like that, then you just need to use this food delivery app. So something like that. Hope it is helpful.